Hi, welcome to the Travel Boss Group. You are inside of my exclusive community for travel bosses, and I wanted to formally introduce myself and let you know what you can expect inside of the group. My name is Sundey Gardner, your online travel boss, and every Wednesday night I'm going to come live to you right inside of this group, and I'm going to be talking all things launching, marketing, and operating a successful travel business so that you are not only profitable, but you are operating at your highest efficiency. Also, if you said yes to one of our three questions, which ask if you'd like to be contacted for free resources, then I have taken the liberty of automatically assigning you a client specialist, and that client specialist will reach out to you directly and point you to existing training resources that we have inside of the group that are designed to help you with any issues that you're having currently inside of your travel business. Now, if you said no to one of those, you'll still have an opportunity to change your mind so that you can get assigned a personal client specialist. They are trained specifically, they know the trainings that I've done before in the past, and they are here to help me help you be successful while you're inside of the group. I look forward to seeing you on one of our Wednesday lives or any of our special trainings that we have. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out inside of the group, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Have a great day.